Welcome back, everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Thai word กำลังกำลังกำลัง This is one of the most common words you'll hear in everyday Thai conversations. So, when do Thai people use it? What does it actually mean? How does it work in real life situations? Let's learn it together. The word กำลัง can function as both a noun and a verb. When it used as a noun, it means strength, power, or force. We'll talk about the meaning near the end of this video because it's used less frequently in everyday conversations. In this lesson, we'll focus on กำลัง as a verb. In this context, กำลัง functions as an auxiliary verb. It is usually placed before the main verb in a sentence to show that an action is happening right now. This is similar to the English ing form. The only difference is the word order because Thai and English use different grammar structures. For example, ฉันกำลังขับรถ 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 ฉันกำลังแต่งหน้า 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 ฉันกำลังไปตลาด 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 ฉันกำลังทำกับข้าว 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 ผมกำลังกินผัดไทย 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 ผมกำลังอ่านหนังสือ 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 ผมกำลังดูทีวี 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 ผมกำลังคิดถึงคุณ 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 As you can see from these examples, กำลัง tell us that an action is happening at this very moment. But what if the action hasn't happened yet and is going to happen very soon? What word do Thai people use in that situation? Interestingly, Thai still uses กำลัง but it adds another word after it. That word is จะจะ Ja is another auxiliary word in Thai. Its main job is to indicate that something will happen in the future. When translated literally into English, Ja means will. Let's look at a few examples. ผมจะไปตลาด 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 ฉันจะไปกินข้าว 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 ผมจะคิดถึงคุณ 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 However, when จะ is added after กำลัง it makes the meaning much more specific. It tells us that something is going to happen very soon. This is similar to the English expression be about to. Let's look at some examples. ฝนกำลังจะตก 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 รถไฟกำลังจะออก 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 ผมกำลังจะอ่านหนังสือ 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 ฉันกำลังจะกินข้าว 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 Next, I'll give you example sentences using all three patterns จะกำลังจะ and กำลัง to help you understand them better ผมจะกินข้าว 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 This simply tells us that the action will happen sometime in the future ผมกำลังจะกินข้าว 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 This means the action hasn't started yet but it's going to happen very soon ผมกำลังกินข้าว 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 This tells us that the action is happening right now ฉันจะไปซื้อของ 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 ฉันกำลังจะไปซื้อของ 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 ฉันกำลังซื้อของ 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 ฝนจะตก 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 ฝนกำลังจะตก 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 ฝนกำลังตก 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 ไฟจะไหม้ 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 ไฟกำลังจะไหม้ 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 ไฟกำลังไหม้ 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 Finally, let's go back to the other meaning of กำลัง that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. When กำลัง is used as a noun, it means strength, power, or force. In this context, it can describe the strength or power of people, animals, machines, or even electricity. Let's look at a few examples. เขามีกำลังเยอะมาก 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 เรามีกำลังคนไม่พอ 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 นกมันไม่สบาย มันไม่มีกำลังพอที่จะบิน นกมันไม่สบาย มันไม่มีกำลังพอที่จะบิน รถขนาดเล็กมีกำลังไม่พอที่จะขึ้นเขา 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 เครื่องไม่ทำงานเพราะกำลังไฟไม่พอ เครื่องไม่ทำงานเพราะกำลังไฟไม่พอ As I mentioned earlier, this meaning isn't used very often in everyday conversations, but I still want you to know it in case you have a chance to use it. And that's everything for today's lesson. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to use the word กำลัง in different contexts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'll see you again in the next video. แล้วเจอกันใหม่นะครับ สวัสดีครับ